Hello, guys. Welcome to the Shankari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is a place to be. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. You have a lot to gain in this channel. Also, send me thumbs up. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you don't lose anything in this channel. To my returning viewer, thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you for sticking to this channel. Today, I want to quickly talk on high BP. Though I've done videos on high BP before, it's just that a lot of people are complaining they cannot find those leaves where they are. All right. Now, those recipe I have here, you can actually get all this one in the market because there is no leaf here. You can get all this one in the market. The first thing here is black pepper. This is black pepper. Then we have cinnamon stick, we have turmeric, ginger, then I have 3 garlic here, and this local thyme. All right, this local thyme, that's organic thyme. Now, how do you prepare this recipe for high blood pressure? Just take half spoon of black pepper, you add it to the pot, then you get your cinnamon stick. Okay, if you like, break it into pieces, but I just want to break it into 2 parts. Okay, add it to the pot, then you add 1 teaspoon, add 1 teaspoon of this thyme. Okay, all right. So the next thing is turmeric. This turmeric is being washed. I've washed all these things here. Do not forget to wash yours. I did not peel it, so don't bother to peel it. Just wash it thoroughly. Let's cut it into pieces as well. The next thing is garlic. All right. So I'm using 3. Just cut it into 2 parts. So after all this, just add 3 glasses of water and then boil for 15 minutes. After that is okay. Then you take a glass morning and evening. It's going to look like this after boiling it. Just take a glass morning and evening. And you see that high BP will drop drastically within a week. It will drop drastically. Go and use it. Come back here for your testimony. Don't forget, this is the Shankari, where we talk about herbs and spices for healthy living. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Please do not forget to share this video. Share it so that others can also benefit. Thank you.